Did you say pistachios? Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Italian stuffed mushrooms with pistachios. With their crunchy topping and rich, flavorful filling, they are a delightful way to start any meal. Cold or warm, they are a perfect appetizer or a complementary side dish. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the descriptions below. Clean the mushrooms gently with a damp paper towel and carefully remove the stems. Here I use regular large white button mushrooms, but you can also use cremini or large portobello mushrooms. Set the caps aside. In a food processor, combine the mushroom stems, breadcrumbs, basil leaves, garlic and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Pulse until the mixture is finely chopped and well combined, creating a uniform stuffing. Incorporate a drizzle of olive oil into the breadcrumb mixture to moisten it slightly, ensuring the stuffing holds together well. Lightly grease the base of a baking dish with olive oil to prevent the mushrooms from sticking. You can also use parchment paper instead. Pat the clean mushrooms dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. Season both sides of the mushroom caps with a pinch of salt, then arrange them in a single layer on a prepared baking tray. Spoon the stuffing mixture into each mushroom cap, pressing down gently to ensure the stuffing is compact and stays in place. The breadcrumbs are preferably made from stale bread for their enhanced flavour and texture, contributing to the stuffing's body and crunch. I don't recommend panko crumbs as they tend to be too dry for this recipe. Drizzle the stuffed mushrooms with olive oil before placing them in the oven for added flavour and moisture. Bake the stuffed mushrooms in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about 30 minutes. Once done, allow the mushrooms to cool slightly before serving. They can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature, making them versatile for various serving preferences. They can be made a day ahead, allowing you to enjoy your dinner parties with minimal last-minute preparations. For more make-ahead appetizers, check out the playlist above. Discover our Italian mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your Guardian Chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe. I could have this for a light vegetarian main.